Hey everyone, how's it going? I have my sail bike out here, so I'm gonna show you what I have and how I set it up. So I have it on a full suspension Raleigh mountain bike, and I just took two bed posts right here from a futon mattress, and I sort of sandwiched them into the into the bike frame right here with quick releases. And it's just two quick releases, and then I took an outpost from another bed frame and I cut it down and I bracketed it onto this here, and then I made the mount. I went to the hardware store and I bought these L brackets and just put them cross like this, and then just bolted them into this one piece of pipe. Then that board is quick released to the frame. So now I just have I went out to the Salvation Army and I bought some aluminum walkers, and I just ripped them apart and I pieced it all together with some old people walkers. And with the actual sail material, I just used tarp, and I put these grommets in with tape behind them so that it would sort of hold it a little better. And so yeah, the idea is basically you just trim the sail and it'll catch the wind and hopefully push me on my bike.
Hang on. Yeah. You know.
I'll do a test video in a little when it's windy enough.